Okay, we are still on the set of Benji Arroyo music video no Headlight remix. So I say, many director no e wo menchen. The visuals no, the beba TV so be your friend no. Nipa na adwen ne ye de ye adwuma no. Many no won chen tie be twetwe nkomo. Director ma kwa ba.
Major also,
Director number cho your first.
if I Cosmos Boachi.
Cosmos.
Yeah.
Okay, minim say remix no of Headlight ni me metie. But all now your director no utie ye no inspiration be na onye free.
Okay, me almost send me nyom na me tie. No say sometimes obi send no nyom bi o a. Unya tie nyom no pena of him kofom. Inti getting a concept for the song would be a problem. Okay. But then Charlie, trust me. Almost sending me headlights na me and determine this kind of concept for it because nyom na nkasa inspire like in a unique way. Okay. So I think say talking about inspiration there. And you may inspire me in the development of the concept process and all that.
With the mochami when you must na wasuma. And you may the on download the file phone no say they may email phone no. Neko Google. Google I know about Benji Arroyo. Headlight remix. Our site will be most of the top websites na the music atum no e Ghana ha nyina na e ho na download the kama now so tie o kan brabo mu nsem o kan how I will see hasa bi auton meko o kodwa na obi srew say na meko na auton but still no che say e me abamu mbu enso pa bi e beto agu meko na auton so narrator set way so no me de meka no kre me buy me hu oba wa ha me hu oba director wo ye adwuma won fama won.
Oh, me farmer be me girls be me fa omo nye to say what say
That's what you
like your girls be any omo ye adwuma but then we say with this particular scene and I say with this particular setting like ye involve girls and to make everything mobile and all that you know to say be aye ko hanasi be here these people omo kwa na carry omo ye fa obi a so nko say na be aye be mobile in movement and all that so a more different scene we are going to use girls and all that.
Oh, okay. Talking about girls and the entire me can and say man who mommy beside and say yes most of music video sets no directors no money man no eda.
Oh yani omona me like a mo yeah but then me when it comes to my work Charlie me say my light to say oh when we kwasere na ni mu gina wana mu din komo me nye sad and crying perhaps I'm married to because ejuma when say wan ware a and asa won ware na say wo ye no like won ware na wo ya most of the times ubinya I mean e ma bebre be approach you with some what I say and nipa bebre na say directors bebre na ntimi show mo ho so umbe hu ana bi o mai bibia na asesa nti no no interest say like directors no na epe man but most of the times a man tade o mo ho hyehye o mo and I won say jane petrol so de enante yeah so
Director Cosmos wakasa bebre but I can say me say on pass him to aware me Poleeno me ware ejuma krona na nyina ye but oye dwamanfo a oye dwamanfo aware ensi adwaman ho kwan aware enye adwaman aduro ensi mebese me hu se emfa waware no nyansa o start o career way no oni obabia like on date obabia from this career working.
as a matter of fact me share here as I mean me lone ranger no me share here say me ankasa me line no me ne obaby me mfa obaby a o me set so anasa obaby a me ne no shoot ana bibisa me ne no en have any affair because one so we start so on oba ni didi nkomo bi a like adofo didi a say oba set so a like onye serious ana to ombu o director na like obi looking up to you na e was say we can hey no obi aye din no afi de obon say oba ni mbu oba ni e kasa cho rofofa ada nkofo e was set so be sha say kasa cho rofofa and that is going to lead to the ruin of the whole project amoye no so
Director versus chinchina o trick me me de yen trick me I say a man no more a free na won't say bedroom action was no general Africa no unisima no makeups. But you say oh baby so etimi e push you ma oye more.
Asin
asin say obey adwuma oh director ade we say o say ni say o because ono ben winti no omo aye ne ntem na watimi aye the perfect work.
Okay, talking about on a no, like I don't give any girl chance to get so close to me. Say, a bit mature me say, and most of the time say, Anna, me was assistant director, sir. If anybody got any idea or person, I'll bring you on board. I like, I'll tries our country and me say catch you. I'm direct it to a different person, so that is how we do it. And one wrong thing is say, will be better approach you to say, or ban or be catch us. We cry me who ni say, and say, well, so only assistant director, Casa. Then assistant no so we are or nay be doing come if that is going to help us straight up na yeah.
All right. This conversation was just by the way because Kofu Bibri Ebisamen because Menation Paul is here and Mibisa no say say na mate intina me pese me clear from the horse's own mouth and our clear waves and I say some of them, but some of them no we are witness to our colleagues are very into that thing say be on the I just say yeah call locations here kucha music video and man move 3 4 day no worry omo. Oh, witness.
Oh, as a matter of fact, me and kasa me colleagues are like omo ya other directors are omo so I mean omo kasa yo mad no me witness be so obi catch e be obi aye no one can dey fine but then me am set so the idea am witness and say e be like two maybe actor na actress be na e be omo have affair so na me hu am chira but as to say madam fu be director be pa oni oba bi e dey na me share down me boys ne dey omo nyesa but then omo na omo I mean actors and actresses ne dey Charlie trust me omo have a lot of affairs and you hu aye hu say you hu because say omo hu say we hu a e be affect your adwuma no so nti o say we din na we project na so bi e bia we na say oni o mbekasa na ani o makasa but say ade na koso pa dey Charlie no way you any no my o lie.
Okay, I didn't question the way you were in all my online. I say director episode confirm say on music video shoots no most of the time setting so a drama in some.
They mean yet to say set no so ye drama and sem. But then say nyom na ya about a drama and sem I was see a year drama and sem war. I mean camera and him. But then yet to say ye kwani ye koye shoot na de ye will be outside I mean a juma na nkasa na ye drama and sem na. But then nipa de unti ube hu ana obi age obi number ho say director no hu. Te bia wo achi no na omo ye omo lie eno na ya after adwuma na asem kra ba enye te say e koso na because hu obi within I mean 5 minutes 10 minutes I won't me na enye bibia.
Okay, I think just set no ye be na ya kotoa adwuma so nti ye be wrap it up sesi na yakọ. But the nti am bisa nsem we nyina na say na girl bi bisa me say I mean on any guy nyina na gina no say ne girl no ye into music videos nti opese oja no because okọ set so directors no emi ano ne da la line nti e bi kra e bi twi. That was a conversation in see o menimti. Anytime me get closer to anyone be or a music video be an ampese me sa adene the air clear. So people and you be any on open experience. Yeah, a lot of people are be on dating girls be a person be set because of a be on mindset. A hunting and person clear. So on the set on this music video particularly, DNA expect something special being expecting from Ocraft.
4 letters FIRE fire.
A fire, so what you say.
Pray for success in my life. Pray for success in my life. We never go stop the rap TV say sleep down. I'm coming the money prefer raise down. Be the same that you roll for fuck up. I didn't want to be anybody trusting. Every month you the ones you know. Hey, I want to fight someday. Hey, everywhere with the food we go. Oh, no breaks, they are amazing. Keep on in the grind, have some faith. Every get over what dreams say you gonna make it. Hey, living in your faith, you should change it. Live like make life well living. You should go jump to this song, new feeling. The one I live life like money is and pay. Me wanna do it for the grind, go back and pay. You go to my die, nothing, happy and pay. They tell you no be easy guy, work and work. When the man of my they hate from within, I can never pay yourself, I come and go be free. Then go for the pray without season, I know go see. Wanna work hard, all this, no my fan go feel. All days are working, all days, and they go make them. Working for those. Some people they back And also stop being lazy.
Hey.
And also go make money. People go laugh at your hustle, but
Hey.
and also stop being lazy. And also go make money. People go laugh at your hustle, but in real life,